Hi, good evening, everyone. Most welcome to the second session of Drug Regulatory Affairs. So, today we will be discussing about how to write a review article. Before I start, please confirm, make sure that you are putting your settings to 720p because I made it to the highest resolution from my desktop, from my computer, so that you can have the best quality. And do not watch in the normal mode, try to make it the landscape mode so that things would be visible for you. Just try to do 720p first of all and make it to landscape. If you have done these two things, then please confirm if my voice is fine. After doing voice check, if all these three things are fine with all students, please give me a thumbs up, because it will make only sense if my communication means of communication is fine with all of us. only then we can start ahead. Okay, all is good. So student, today we will be discussing about how to write a review article. So in your drug regulatory affairs, and how many of you have also enrolled for internship within this topic? How many of you also become part of the internship here? Okay, Karan, and who else? Please raise your hands who is part of the internship also. So I need to make this session for them. So 3. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So in this internship, you have to write one review article. So basically, the format, I think you might be, this one might be new for all of you. So want to share with you how a format of review article looks like. So it should have a title page, in which you have a title. Your name should be there. So maximum 2 students are allowed to be make a group, because it's a small group here. One common topic, or if you want to be an individual, you can also write individually. Then comes the keywords, then date, then abstract. It should contain approximately your 200 to 300 words. That is a summary of what your primary study is review about. What is the conclusion of your study, and it should not include any references in this abstract. Then write the topic of the study, which serve as identification sentence, and it should indicate what the article contains. And clearly outline the order in which every subtopic will be discussed to give reader background information needed to understand the sections in the article. Then comes your body. It should include your subtopics that you're addressing, and then comes your conclusion. I should briefly state your rationale of your review and the purpose of the article. Yeah. Then literature cited, use of standardized reference system like MLA or any references system you can use. So minimum 25 pages should be there, including your references, and not more than 10%. The plagiarism, plagiarism is that you're copying from one place to another topic. You're choosing one, reading one article, and you just copy paste everything. That will be 100% plagiarism. But if you taking any sentence from one review article or any research article, you should not copy it fully. You have to write it in your own words, in your own sentences. You can go for many review articles 5 years old and study about it, or Nature or so. So that's the gist or you can say title page, keywords, abstract, introduction, body, conclusion, literature cited, with page number, plagiarism, annual review articles, and so on. Yeah. So this is the real format of that. So I will so whatever I will be discussing here, I will be keep sharing with you. So this is the review format. Beyond that, these are the various topics you can choose from to write your review article. Yeah, novel analytical methods, development of estimation of assay of drugs, development of stability indicating assay methods, impurity profiling of drugs and pharmaceuticals, metabolome analysis, drug safety evolution studies, pharmacokinetics evolution, bioavailability studies, crystal engineering, and material analysis. So all these things, all these topics you can choose, or you can choose your own topic also. So let's check one topic. So this is one of my previous professor that was touched for few minutes, like few meetings, 1 or 2 meetings, but they did some work. They are very highly known and expert, Friederike Kulo, Professor Friederike from the Hamburg University Medical Center, Hamburg, Eppendorf. Their work was done related to this regulation of cardiac protein kinase signaling by CMP and oxidants. So her work, she has just summarized in this review article about the recent trends that have been done related to therapeutics and could be helpful to recover from the heart failure. So first, it's abstract, as we discussed, a quiet summary without any reference article, telling you about conclusion, introduction and body paragraph, everything in one summary. Then the keywords, what you have to do. Then comes your introduction, very nicely. So you can see whenever you are writing it, you have to write these references. So 1, 2 references there. So if you click this one reference, so it has been taken from this paper. Yeah, so you can choose any style of references that you're looking for according to the journal. And then comes your figures. The figures, you cannot copy it from any journal. You have to make it your own figure, because that will be a copyright then. So if you are copying it from there, then try to change some things and then write you are adapting it from that. So there's a difference of adapting and writing a nice figure. So make sure you're doing it in a right way. So then there's a figures, subtitles, subscript, then PK isoform and so on. It's the body. It's a long topic related to that field. So it's a 16 pages, actually 18 pages review article, and then therapeutic, and then conclusion, that what does it say is all about. Then comes adjourn your references. To write your references, you can use these reference managers. So they, like I'm using Zotero, you can use EndNote, you can use Mendeley. There are many in the market, so you can choose any of them and start writing it straightforwardly. Because once, like let's say I had written one book chapter, so if you want to add something in it, so like I have added this third one, so you have to go and check your, there's add in your word. Yeah, so you can add any reference article, like I choose this Harvard, choose a classic, then I want to choose this one. Okay, then that's it. Re et al 2000. So you can make things added, and they will be added automatically at the end also in the references. So in this way you can write your articles in a nice manner. So I will share these references with you. So these articles, just a second. So to finish the article, the deadline would be 15th of August, because it will take 1 month to do so. So I have shared with you everything. So all the articles. So these are the this one that I was discussing now. It would be appreciated if you use English as well as Hindi also. So I talk on my first lecture. So I was asked, this is the first thing I ask in my lectures, that what kind of preference that you will all like to choose, either Hindi or English. So some students here present, they cannot understand Hindi. If everyone could understand Hindi, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ. हिंदी मैं करना में मैं ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल महसूस करता हूँ. तो पर कुछ बच्चे हमारे साथ ऐसे भी ज्वाइन हुए हैं यहाँ पे, जो कि हिंदी को नहीं समझ पाते हैं, जो सिर्फ इंग्लिश समझते हैं. तो इसीलिए हमें एक लैंग्वेज रखनी पड़ती है, और कोई बात नहीं है. If students, if you all say that you want to speak, can I do the multi language, English और हिंदी दोनों में कर सकते हैं हम बात, तो हम दोनों में करते हैं. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम सिर्फ हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में ना करके सिर्फ इंग्लिश में रखें, so please give me your views about it. Is everyone okay with Hindi and English both? Because even though there is one student who cannot understand Hindi, it will be not like, make it sense. Please give me your comments on the chat box. Because that's a very basic and very important part before we go ahead, because language, communication, the image, the video, everything needs to be perfect. Only then the lectures could go smooth. Otherwise, it's just my waste of time and yours waste of time. Because here we are here for transferring the knowledge, and it should be communicating in a what you say, uninterrupted flow. There should be no interruption in that. कोई बिना इंटरप्शन के होना चाहिए. तो कोई बताइए, अगर किसी को हिंदी में अगर प्रॉब्लम है समझने में, तो बता सकते हैं. So I keep in English. Okay, Revati, you can't understand Hindi, because I'm saying this thing. I was in Germany for almost 7 years. So even though there are 50 members in our meeting, and I was the only one present who cannot understand German, so they tried to communicate in English for the whole meeting. because I was not able to understand that. Yeah, so that's something I keep it in myself also, that somebody did really respect me because I was not able to understand one language. So it's the same way, we belong to different backgrounds, different places, so things could be changed. हम अलग अलग जगह से belong करते हैं, जगह जगह के प्रांत से हम belong करते हैं. तो ठीक है, ठीक है. तो एवरीवन मिक्स में खुश हैं, वो मिक्स करके चलते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. तो हम कहाँ थे लास्ट टाइम? हाँ, हमने यही पढ़ा था कि भैया कि एग्जाम्पल्स देखे थे आपके, कि डिफरेंट रिव्यू आर्टिकल्स के एग्जाम्पल हैं. आपका एक्सट्रैक्ट है, इंट्रोडक्शन है, उसका बॉडी पैराग्राफ है, फिगर्स उन्होंने खुद बनाई है अपने आप, फिगर 2, फिगर 3 विद द फिगर टाइटल्स, लेजेंड्स and so on, and the references at the end. So these are some examples of writing the review articles, कि एक अच्छा रिव्यू आर्टिकल कैसे लिखा जाता है. और ये आपको रिव्यू फॉर्मेट भी शेयर कर दिया है कि रिव्यू फॉर्मेट कैसा होना चाहिए. प्लेगरिज्म नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें. मिनिमम 25 पेज होने चाहिए आपके विदाउट रेफरेंसेस. उसमें आपको टाइटल पेज, आपका नाम, डेट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी, कंक्लूजन, लिटरेचर साइड, ये सब होना चाहिए उसके अंदर. ठीक है. सो ठीक है. तो ये सब हमें इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा इसमें. एंड हाँ, एक होता है पबमेड होता है बच्चे. पबमेड में आपका खुला हुआ है ये पहले से. तो इफ़ यू राइट ऑन द पबमेड, इफ़ यू गो ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड देन राइट डाउन क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस रिव्यू आर्टिकल्स, सो आपको 97,002 रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं. और आप देख सकते हैं कि 1990 के बाद ही इसकी जो रिसर्च है ज़्यादा शुरू हुई है, उससे पहले ये इतना नहीं था. ये टाइटल अच्छे से हमें बता रहा है. ठीक है. तो आप इसमें से कोई भी टॉपिक जो आप चूज़ करते हैं वो यहाँ पे आप डाल के उसको देख सकते हैं, उसके बारे में. उसको डाउनलोड कीजिए, उसको पढ़िए, उसको लिखिए कैसे है, एंड देन स्टार्ट डूइंग द थिंग्स. Principles and programs of quality insurance. So there are chances, कुछ फ्री होंगे आर्टिकल, कुछ आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, कुछ डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि ये फ्री अवेलेबल नहीं है आपका. तो या कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द रिव्यू आर्टिकल्स दे आर फ्री एंड दे आर ओपन एक्सेस. सो ये है एक आपका ओरल म्यूकोस्टाइटिस पे है. विली पे जाइएगा आप, शायद ये पेड ना हो वहाँ पे. अधिकतर क्या होता है कि ये डाउनलोड करने में इजी रहते हैं. यहीं पे डाउनलोड की ऑप्शन आती है, तो आपको डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन मिल जाता है. अगर नहीं है तो आप इसका पीडीएफ ले सकते हैं, अगर पेड है ये भी. तो जितने अच्छे जर्नल्स होते हैं जो हाईली डिमांडिंग हैं और दे आर बीइंग पेड एक्चुअली. सो ये पेड है आपका. अगर आपको 48 घंटे के लिए ऑनलाइन एक्सेस चाहिए तो आपको $16 देने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपको सिर्फ यही डाउनलोड करना है तो $49. वाओ, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. अदरवाइज अगर आप अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में हैं, अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी से कहीं से कर रहे हैं, तो आपको इन आर्टिकल्स को या वहाँ पे आपको इनका वो मिल सकता है, चेक उसका करने का. जैसे मैकेनिक्स of quality insurance now in the future. This you can also choose. So choose wisely whichever you want to go for it. If you have some issues, yeah, you can talk to me anytime. Just type me on my Telegram group. I will be happy to answer you. You can choose any topics. I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you are studying, you are doing B Pharma, you are doing biochemistry, you are doing microbiology, whichever field you are, you want to choose topic from that field also, because it might help you to increase your resume, to get your resume better on a better front, because you can write things on that nicely then. Yeah, that it belongs to your core topic and you have written one review article about that, so it will be more emphasized. I will give more preference to that. Yeah, so that's something about review articles, some examples that I have shared now, a concept that a thing has to be done, and beyond that you have to write also some assignments. So if on the day 1 or day 2 we are doing with you know um, any topic that I will be sharing with you according to the objectives. So you have to write in summary about everything on in a word pad in your own words, so that you can keep a summary of it. So it will be good at the end of the lectures. You can keep it with you. Ketaki, from which group you are, bache? Can we see? So Ketki Analytical Chemistry, Anita Deshpande. Analytical techniques in environmental science for determining microplastic in water, uh, sediments and marine sediments. Okay, looks sounds good actually. Acknowledgement, references are there. So keep your references same. I can see some references article there. Ketki, are you in the group also of drug regulatory, or is it someone new student? Is Ketki also present in this class, or is it someone random student who just wrote me? And one more thing, I am getting like hundreds of messages in a day. So once I talk with anyone, I do not keep that messages with me. I try to keep it empty with me. So if I'm not able to reply you on the same day or something, so we will not do Bishruta quality insurance. No, this is another. Yeah, not that. Yeah, okay. So what if the two topics like the same topic? Um, you can it's okay if two students choose the same topic. Your content will be different, I'm pretty sure, because you will be not copying the things with each other and sharing with things in a different way. It's okay if two students choose also the same topic. Yeah, and students, please do subscribe to my channel also. So it's all because of your love. Take care, and your love and habits. It makes my channel to be working nicely now. So you can go through this. I have created many playlists. If you're interested in any other things also, you're most welcome to check them. So there's a tips for if you're interested in going abroad, or tips for students. I have created this playlist. You can check that. There's a genetics, molecular biology, proteomics, medicinal biochemistry, many topics that I have shared here each day: enzyme engineering, molecular biology, analytical techniques, some spiritual stuff, principle of genetics, plant biotechnology. Yeah, so many things I have shared around here. You can go ahead and check them out, and please subscribe, like, share around your group, everything. It will be really precious to me, very helpful to grow my channel. Beyond that, we will start officially from tomorrow. So the first day I keep it for introduction, and the second day is for the review articles, and then eventually on the third day we start with the things that I've shared over the objectives. Yeah, any further questions, students, so far? Okay, if you have any questions, if you have anything that you're not able to understand, you can talk to me anytime. I will be happy to answer your questions. Yeah, so till then, take care. Yeah. See you tomorrow, same time, 9 p.m. And these lectures of YouTube will be recorded here always, so you can watch them anytime. Yeah. So they will be recorded here, recorded versions, and we will have the PPTs. So I will share them with you once we start our lectures, and there will be a lot of work coming up for all of us. एक आपका बच्चे बायो रेंडर होता है for figure making. Choose this for making figures. And choose reference manager. Yeah. Try to choose some reference manager like Mendeley is also nice. You can keep your all research articles nicely packed there. So any of these two things you can choose for and go ahead with that. And for plagiarism, to check your plagiarism, there is software called Turnitin. It's a golden software, Turnitin. Turnitin. I don't know if you have any seniors or any of your professors have this software. Try to get this checked. It gives very exact, very nice plagiarism. It finds the best plagiarism so far from the all over India. It's the one of the best software to check the plagiarism. So choose this one. ये बहुत अच्छा है. इसको choose कीजिएगा. ठीक है. एनी कोई और क्वेश्चन बच्चे? अगर आप किसी दिन ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं लेक्चर, तो आप अगले दिन भी आके ये दोबारा ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. तो ये हमेशा यहीं पे सेव रहेंगे आपके पास. तो आपको कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको आपकी हार्ड डिस्क में इसको सेव करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हर एक जो वीडियो होती थी वो कम से कम 1-2 GB की वो बन जाती थी रिकॉर्ड होके, और वो सेंड करना भी मुश्किल होता था हमें, और उसको संभालना भी मुश्किल हो जाता, क्योंकि बाद तक लेक्चर जब तक ख़त्म होते हैं हमारे, वो पता नहीं 50-60 GB का बन जाता है. तो वो इतना भारी हो जाता है कि उसको सेव करना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो हमने यही सोचा था, तभी लाइव स्ट्रीम जो है वो सही रहता है बात करने के लिए भी. आप भी अपनी बातें कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ, हम भी आपसे बातें कर सकते हैं, और हमारा जो कम्युनिकेशन है बहुत सही से भी रहता है और सेव भी होता रहता है. सो इस सेंस में काफ़ी सही है ये. ठीक है क्लास, अगर और कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, कोई प्रश्न नहीं है, तो आज के लिए हम इतना ही शॉर्ट ही रखते हैं. तो बाकी का हम कल से एग्जैक्टली शुरू करेंगे आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के साथ, पीपीटीज के साथ. तो डिस्कस करेंगे ईच टॉपिक 1 by 1 एंड उसको हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे. ठीक है. और 15 जुलाई जैसे मैंने बताया था कि 15 जुलाई से हमने शुरू करा है, तो 15 अगस्त तक ही आपको आपका सब जो है ना, जितना भी आपने कार्य करा है अभी तक, वो सब आपने शेयर करके जो रिव्यू आर्टिकल होगा वो 15 अगस्त तक आपको सबमिट करना होगा. सो 1 महीने का टाइम है. गो थ्रू सम यूट्यूब वीडियोस, गो थ्रू सम देयर आर सम कोर्सेज आल्सो ऑनलाइन, कि आप कोर्सेरा पे भी हैं कि अच्छा रिव्यू आर्टिकल कैसे लिखते हैं, थोड़ा सा समझ में आएगा. और क्योंकि ये एकेडमिक में आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं भी अभी स्टडी कर रहा हूँ काफ़ी मेडिसिनल थिंग्स की। मैं भी काफ़ी कोर्सेज कर रहा हूँ ऑनलाइन, और जब भी मेरे हम क्लासेस में हो, हमें नहीं पता अब आप में से कितने बच्चे बेड पे ये लेट के भी क्लास ले रहे हैं। ट्राई टू मेक योर स्पाइन, जो है आपकी जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है पीछे वाली, उसको स्ट्रेट रखें, कुर्सी पे बैठें, टेबल पे बैठें, ठीक है। एक लाइट लगाएं, हवादार कमरा हो, ठीक है, पसीना ज़्यादा ना, जहाँ पे खिड़की खोल लें, कूलर चला लें, एसी चला लें, और एक माहौल वातावरण ऐसा बनाएं कि पढ़ने वाला हो। जब तक पढ़ने वाला माहौल नहीं होगा तब तक चीज़ें नहीं समझ में आएंगी, बहुत इरिटेशन शुरू हो जाती है खुद से ही। तो फोकस माइंड के साथ क्लासेस लेंगे तो थिंग्स अच्छी चलती हैं। अगर अनफोकस्ड वे, अगर थोड़ा सा इधर उधर भी है तो ठीक नहीं चलती हैं। ठीक है क्लास, तो थैंक यू सो मच, विश यू ऑल गुड नाइट, टेक केयर, स्लीप वेल। कल मिलते हैं आपके साथ 9 बजे इसी समय, इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे। थैंक यू।